Good evening viewers, friends, and supporters. So bagong update po tayo ngayon sa ating other challenges for weekly challenge. So pangalawa itong lumabas guys sa ating description as subscriptions beginner challenge. Get started with subscription by completing this week's task. So ang progress natin ay upload a promotional video and create a public post with a link with your subscription. So last, get 1 new subscribers. So guys, so pwede nyo po i-click ang link na ito para magiging subscribers ko po kayo. So more task pa tayo guys, more challenge na ating tatanggapin. So keep on watching lang po and don't skip videos, panoorin at tapusin po yung videos para mataas po yung engagement po natin. Napaka-importante po talaga ang maki-engage sa kapwa content creator, may small content creator ka man o big content creator. So kung nagustuhan nyo po ay pwede nyo pong ibahagi. Kung ano ang nalalaman ko ay malalaman mo rin.